What if I told you that the key to aging with strength, grace, and independence isn't hidden in a high-tech gym or an expensive supplement bottle? What if it's waiting for you in your own kitchen, disguised as simple, everyday food? Imagine this. You wake up, and instead of feeling that familiar morning stiffness, you feel capable. You lift the groceries out of the car without that twinge in your back. You play with your grandchildren on the floor and get back up with ease. This isn't a fantasy. This is the power of protecting your muscles. As we age, we all face a silent thief called sarcopenia, the natural age-related loss of muscle mass. It's the reason why tasks that were once effortless can start to feel like monumental challenges. But it is not an inevitable sentence. Today, we are going to fight back. We will reveal the 7 most powerful, science-backed foods that act as your body's best defense against muscle loss. This isn't just another list of healthy foods. These are your strategic allies in the war against weakness. We will count down from number 7 to the undisputed number 1 champion of muscle preservation. If you are ready to reclaim your strength and redefine what it means to age well, then you are in exactly the right place. And if this mission resonates with you, do me a small favor. Tap that like button and subscribe. It tells us you're serious about your health, and it motivates us to keep creating content that truly makes a difference. Let's begin. Coming in at number 7, we have a humble yet mighty grain, quinoa. For centuries, this was the secret fuel of Inca warriors in the Andes Mountains. Today, science has confirmed what they knew all along. Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is a complete protein. Think of it like this. Your muscles are a brick wall, and amino acids are the bricks. Most grains provide some bricks, but quinoa provides all 9 essential types of bricks your body needs to repair and rebuild that wall. For anyone over 50, whose muscle repair crew naturally slows down, providing all the materials at once is a game changer. But quinoa's magic doesn't stop there. It's rich in magnesium, a mineral I like to call the relaxation mineral. Every time your muscle contracts, it needs calcium. But to relax, it needs magnesium. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can stay tense, leading to cramps and stiffness. Quinoa helps maintain this crucial balance, ensuring your muscles are not just strong, but also supple and responsive. It's also packed with fiber, which slows down digestion, keeping you feeling full and preventing the blood sugar spikes that can lead to energy crashes and cravings for unhealthy foods. It's a simple swap. Replace your white rice or pasta with quinoa, and you're not just eating a side dish. You're consuming a complete muscle support system in every bite. At number 6, we have a food that's both a treat and a treatment. Greek yogurt. What makes Greek yogurt so special? It's all in the straining process. Imagine taking regular yogurt and straining out the excess liquid whey. What you're left with is a thick, creamy, concentrated powerhouse of protein. A single serving can pack up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which is nearly double that of its regular counterpart. This isn't just any protein, it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein. This means it releases amino acids into your system gradually, providing your muscles with a steady supply of fuel for hours. It's the perfect food to have before bed, as it works to repair your muscles while you sleep. Furthermore, Greek yogurt is a champion of bone health. It's loaded with the calcium, which is fundamental for strong bones. Think of your muscles as the powerful engine of a car, and your bones as the chassis. If the chassis is weak, it doesn't matter how powerful the engine is. The car will fall apart. By protecting your bones, you are giving your muscles a strong, stable framework to operate from. And let's not forget the probiotics. the friendly bacteria that support your gut health. A healthy gut is like fertile soil. It allows your body to absorb all the nutrients from your food efficiently. You can eat all the right foods, but if your gut can't absorb the nutrients, your muscles will starve. At number 5, we journey to the cold waters of the north for a true superfood: salmon. If your muscles could talk after a long walk or a day of gardening, they'd be screaming for salmon. Why? Because of its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Every time we exert ourselves, we create tiny microtears in our muscles. This is normal and it's how they grow stronger. But it also creates inflammation, which causes soreness and stiffness. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like a fire department for that inflammation. They rush in, calm the fire, and allow your muscle repair crew to get to work faster. Of course, salmon is also an impeccable source of high-quality protein, providing everything your body needs to rebuild those muscle fibers stronger than before. But it also contains a secret weapon, a unique antioxidant called astaxanthin. This is the compound that gives salmon its beautiful pink color, and it's a powerful protector of your cells, shielding them from the oxidative stress that accelerates aging. It's like giving your muscles a suit of armor at the cellular level. When you choose salmon, you're not just choosing a delicious meal. You are choosing faster recovery, less pain, and deeper protection for your muscles. Holding strong at number 4 is one of nature's most perfect and affordable creations: the incredible edible egg. For years, eggs were unfairly demonized for their cholesterol content. Thankfully, science has now vindicated them. An egg is a self-contained life support system, and it's one of the best things you can eat for muscle preservation. Each egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of the highest quality protein available, with a perfect amino acid profile. But the real magic of the egg lies in the yolk. The yolk contains vitamin D, which is crucial for both bone health and muscle function. It helps your body absorb calcium and ensures your muscles contract efficiently. It also contains choline, a nutrient that is vital for the brain-muscle connection. Think of choline as the high-speed internet cable that connects your brain's commands to your muscles. A strong signal means better coordination, balance, and strength. Many people over 60 are deficient in choline, leading to a weaker connection and a higher risk of falls. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of this essential nutrient. They are versatile, affordable, and easy to prepare. A simple 2-egg omelet for breakfast is a powerful statement that you are investing in your strength for the day ahead. Taking the number 3 spot is a humble leaf that packs a mighty punch: spinach. Remember Popeye? There was real science behind his love for spinach. Spinach is loaded with nitrates. When you eat spinach, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This is incredibly important for your muscles. Wider blood vessels mean more blood flow, which means more oxygen, and more nutrients are delivered to your muscles, especially during physical activity. It improves your stamina and helps your muscles work more efficiently. So spinach is also a treasure trove of minerals. We already mentioned magnesium, but it's also rich in iron, which is essential for creating hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen. Low iron leads to fatigue and muscle weakness, and it contains a high amount of vitamin K, which is critical for anchoring calcium into your bones, once again reinforcing that strong chassis your muscles need. Don't just see spinach as a salad green. See it as a performance enhancer. Sauté it with garlic, blend it into a smoothie, or wilt it into your soup. It's one of the easiest ways to flood your body with muscle-protecting nutrients. Coming in at a very close number 2 are almonds. If eggs are the perfect protein, Almonds are the perfect muscle-protecting snack. They are a dense source of plant-based protein and healthy monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and fight inflammation. But their true superpower lies in their micronutrient profile. Almonds are one of the best food sources of vitamin E on the planet. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, and it has a special job. It protects your cell membranes. Think of every muscle cell as a tiny house. The cell membrane is the wall of that house. Physical activity creates free radicals that act like tiny wrecking balls, trying to damage those walls. Vitamin E is the security guard that neutralizes these free radicals, protecting the integrity of your muscle cells. This is crucial for preventing muscle breakdown and promoting faster recovery. Almonds are also rich in magnesium, manganese, and copper, minerals that are cofactors in hundreds of enzymatic reactions in your body, including energy production and protein synthesis. A small handful of almonds as a mid-afternoon snack doesn't just curb your hunger. It provides your body with a powerful cocktail of nutrients specifically designed to protect and fuel your muscles. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 undisputed champion for stopping muscle loss and building strength as you age. The gold standard in nutrition for sarcopenia. At #1, we have chicken breast. It may not be as exotic as quinoa or as trendy as salmon, but when it comes to pure, lean, muscle-building power, nothing beats chicken breast. A single 3-ounce serving provides a staggering 26 grams of the highest quality protein with very little fat. But what truly elevates chicken breast to the top spot is its high concentration of a specific amino acid, leucine. Leucine is the master switch for muscle protein synthesis. It's the spark that ignites the entire muscle-building process. While other foods contain leucine, chicken breast provides a potent dose that sends a loud and clear signal to your body: build and repair. As we age, our bodies become less sensitive to this signal. This is called anabolic resistance. It means we need more leucine to get the same muscle-building response. Chicken breast delivers exactly that. It's also rich in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which are the spark plugs of your energy metabolism. They help your body convert food into fuel efficiently. Without them, you can feel sluggish and weak, no matter how much protein you eat. Chicken is incredibly versatile, affordable, and easy to incorporate into any meal. By making lean chicken breast a staple in your diet, you are giving your body the most direct and powerful tool it has to fight sarcopenia and maintain your strength, your mobility, and your independence for years to come. And there you have it. 7 powerful, natural, and delicious allies in your journey to a stronger future. Remember, this isn't about a restrictive diet. It's about making smart, strategic additions to your plate. Start with 1 or 2 this week. The path to strength is built one meal at a time. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more science-backed wisdom to help you live your strongest life. We'll see you in the next video. Stay strong.